Another fight that draws a lot of attention is the one between Rhys Fanhill, undefeated prospect, and Mark Dickinson. Mark Bubu Dickinson is 6'2", very tall guy, and he was better than Bahadur Karami. Lost to Kazuto Takesako, destroyed Grand Denis, but generally this is a point fighter, a technical guy, and Rhys is also a point guy, 5'11". He likes to participate in long wars. He destroyed Adam Keppel, but aside of that, he defeated Karami via decision, Petko Emilov via decision, Mamedov via decision, Richard Levicki via decision. I believe this fight has the potential to go all the way. And I'm saying over 6.5 now. I think Mark is having more precise shots, but Race is known for a lot of volume, a lot of landed strikes, and boxing rules are kind of odd, so I'm not sure how judge is gonna score it. As a side call, I would go with Mark, but I'm saying over 6.5 as a prediction.